Hi people, this is Liddy again. Okay, like you can see, we finally got rid of all the junk that was here. It was from the from the wing of the house, and but as you can see right there, we need to still fix it, but well, it'll be done. So the first thing I want to say that I got my raised bed back. Yes, as you can see, my trees and stuff is still here, thanks to the mayor of San Juan. It's still right there, and I'm gonna show you it. It went all the way down there with the the bananas is in the other house, and we've been cutting it as it rots. As you can see right here, it rots. And and then we cut it, so it's good to rot. And I tell people who's cutting it, you know, put some of this stuff here, because it's good for the plants. You know, this is like what they call mulch and stuff like that. So I'm gonna see if I could fix all this and and see now if I could clean this, because I have done some work in here. As you know, this I'm waiting for it to have roots so I could take this out and cut the plant, this one right here. You know, this stem goes up, so this one will be this one. It will be a big one. So that's an experiment that I'm doing. So I'm seeing to see if it works. Another thing I'm planning to do is clean out this area, because I had all the the rocks and all the junk right in this corner, you know, and I couldn't do much, and I didn't want it to put it in the other corner. So as you see, I still gotta do a lot of work. All this, I'm planning to cut it off. I don't know what the heck this is, but I'm cutting it off because this smells like grass, so I guess it's grass. So all this I'm gonna cut out, and all that is down there. I thought that was an eggplant, but it's not, you know. But I say, like, how the heck an eggplant came over here? I will clean this out and see what to do with it. So see, you know, and I want to show you my plantain, how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is. It is growing beautifully. And sorry, I'm trying to wheel this wheelchair and do the video, so you know how hard that is. And I'm gonna see if I put some garlic here, maybe today. I have garlic that I want to put, but I want to put it in the beginning over there where I have a lot of plants and it covers it, so you know, no predators. And I have, okay, yeah, I was gonna show you my plant. There it goes. Look how beautiful it is. I clean it you know, as soon as the leaf gets dirty, I clean her. I gave vitamins, as you can see. I don't know if you can see the little bolita. The little balls right there. Those when it rains, it gives the vitamins slowly, which is pretty good. The oldest leaf now is this one, but I'm gonna wait for it to get rotten more. Then I just cut it and then pull it down, and the tree be growing beautifully. This is a plantain, as you can see, because of the the colors it has. You can tell it's a plantain. Also, I have over here, yeah, I don't know what they call this plant, but my mother planted this up front, and it has gone crazy. I assume that let me see if I could get closer so I could show you. Okay, I don't want to hit the wrong button. No. Okay, so as you can see, it has a red flower. After the red flower, as you can see, there's like a little ball right here. I think this is what falls and it makes it grow, you know. And it's growing something here. Oh no, that's a flower that went through there and it got stuck. So I think that's how little ones are growing. Here you see one, there you see two, and I'll be sometime this week taking them out and putting them in flower pots. or something like that. Or I'll take the seeds, save them from another time, or something like that. Also, I want to show you, last but not least, yes. I don't know what today is my problem, because I'm thinking in Spanish and I'm talking, some words are coming out in Spanish. So here I have my corianders that I bought from outside. As you can see, there's a big space there. There was a lot of corianders there. My dog always does this to me. I plant something somewhere, he'll just tear it out and lay down there. So that's what he did, tear it out and lay down there. I'm going to cut some more seeds. They're already growing again, as you can see right there. And I'm going to see if I cut some more seeds. So, not from here. I already cut from that side. They got a lot. Like you can see, it has a lot. So, I'm going to send, because my mother wants me to send her some. And my son told me to send him some. So, that's what I'm trying to do. But I got to wait for it to dry out. I already got a group that is drying out. So, I'll probably just take one from here and also put it to dry out. Plus, I got to get some, some corianders for the week. I washed them very good, and then I put them in plastic bags. And that's how, they grow. As you can see how dirty it is, the leaves and stuff, that's the dog. He pulls it and he throws it right on top of it. So, but I have here, I think it's 2 of them. I have 3. I have 4, 5. And this way I go back home. So, I have 4 or 5. And I have to fix this area because we plan to paint. We want to paint the walls. They kind of nasty. I'm trying not to show it. So, there's 2 there. No, 3 of them. There's 3 there. Then you got 4 or 5. Okay. Let me move this way. Okay. So you got, like I said, 4 or 5. And under this leaf, there's a 6th one. And I think there's more. Wait a minute. Give me a break. Let me see if I could do this right. It's just that, I gotta be careful of not falling in there. Because then I'm gonna have to call somebody to help me out. And I don't want to. So, there's, how much I said? There's 4 over there. There's 3 over here. There's 7. Okay. And we have some small ones. Let me see if I could find them. Wait, I put my finger in the wrong place. Wait a minute. Oh, gosh. What do I do now? Okay, I got it. So, let me see. I got that one. I have another one, a few of them over here, but I can't seem to get it because the grass is high. But, there's some here. I don't know where. I saw them the other day, and I can't seem to find it now. But there are some there. And I also have some over here. Let me see if I could find those at least. Okay, where are you? Oh God, I can't find them. Anyway, when I find them, I'll take a picture of them. I'll do the video now. If I find them, I'll start taking a picture of it. Okay, so God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.